हॅलो.
हॅलो, हा सर प्रशांत बोलतोय.
हा बोला.
सर ते फ्लॅट बघू शकतो का आपण? When I will proceed.
Okay, so recording is started. You will see
Yes.
recording from onwards. Okay, now onwards. Before this you
Yes sir,
already
no,
attended.
yes sir, no worry. Yes sir.
Okay. Okay kids.
Yes sir. Sir, you played
Yeah, I played
Rook to
this.
A3, I guess.
Right. I played rook to b3. Rook
sir.
to b3.
Sir, this is not fair.
So the first game we played was just of 3 moves.
Yes. And now see how how confident you guys are now. 42 moves are done and yet not checkmated.
Sir, don't go to 50 moves. We are not sure that we are going to play.
Yes,
this
but
back.
now what is happening actually? All your brains are fighting together against one single small brain of mine, right? So
Yeah, but that brain has many things
because
which
of
we
that
don't
actually,
know.
yeah, because of that actually, you are reaching till 40 moves. Now what we will do, we will create separate leeches IDs for all of you. If you already have, we will use those, okay? If not, create it. I will create one team for you. Okay, all of you can be part of that team, and then I will send the game invite separately to all of you. Okay, everybody. Eva will play separate, Hesha will play separate, Sanvi will play separate. Okay, and then we will see actually how the game goes, and we will then analyze it together. Okay.
No.
So, sir, I don't understand what you were trying to say.
That time there will be no discussion. Now this time I am explaining, right? Oh, you need to worry about your king and all. But that time I will leave that worry to yourself only. I will not explain anything. Okay, now your turn, kids.
Sir, I don't understand anything.
Okay, I will tell after this game. I will tell again.
Yes, sir.
Sir, till now, whatever we have learned, it's the chess basics, right?
Yes. Not even basics actually. We are halfway only.
To the basics. There's
Yes.
more?
Yes. There is lot more.
Oh. What can we do to save our king now?
Yeah, but still you guys, are improved a lot if I know from beginning. Okay, or you yourself must have also observed, right? Is that correct, kids?
Yeah. So we'll move our pawn to h4.
Knight to
Why
G1.
why would you move your pawn to h4?
Why?
Because there is some way to move your king.
Now, if you move it, it's a checkmate.
Yeah.
Correct?
Oh.
So when we brought our rook here to support the pawn, and if you are moving the pawn itself ahead, मतलब ये ऐसे हो गया, आ बैल मुझे मार, मतलब वो बेचारा रुका है चुपचाप वहां पे, तो आप आगे जा रहे हो और उसको बोल रहे हैं अरे मारो मुझे. right? So this
What
is,
do you mean, sir?
this is not good move, right? You are challenging the queen who is sitting, calm. She's just waiting for
So
some good
now we want
opportunity.
a diagonal means we want a way to save our king.
No, but where is the threat now?
Yeah.
This is your threat, right? Now see, because he played this, what you have to do is you have to attack on this, correct? Like this.
And sir, not only that, now the king is cannot move here also
Correct.
to g1
Correct.
because this one will give the check.
Correct.
Knight.
So who is the strongest player here? The knight actually is the strongest. So you just have to bring it here and say usko कि अरे भाई यहाँ से भाग नहीं तो मैं मार दूंगा, right?
Sir, actually it is, and even the rook, I do not want the rook to be in our territory. We are
Yeah,
squeezed to the bottom of the territory.
right. So first of all, identify who is troubling more, this rook, this queen, this knight, or this rook.
Sir, you know who's troubling most? The knight, and both of the rooks. The queen is just sitting
No,
there.
highest one. सबसे ज्यादा कौन
Knight.
ट्रबल कर रहा है?
Knight,
नाइट. तो सबसे पहले उसको भगाओ. There are two ways you can do. One is this. Okay. Another is this. Which one is better? Third one is this.
No, sorry. No.
Fourth one is this.
So we have too many variations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll move the knight. No, it's not good.
If you bring the knight itself will capture it, right?
Yes, sir, that's for sure.
So this.
Okay, the bishop seems good for two reasons. Okay, this is better move. Okay, one is if you don't move the bishop, there is a double attack of the rooks. Okay, so
Yes.
anyways, you are going to lose the bishop here. Correct?
So and the rook will
So at
come
least
on
use it for
B1.
something good somewhere.
Yeah.
So the rook will come on B1, and then we'll capture this rook.
And then the
And
rook
then
will
this
capture
rook
your
will
rook.
capture this rook.
Correct.
And then
We'll lose-
we'll bring this to save. This rook will
It's
capture
better than
over here,
exchanging
and it will be a
everything,
checkmate.
Eva.
Correct.
Eva is better than exchanging everything.
Correct. Very good, Eva. So you are thinking till like next 3-4 moves. Good one. So this is final, kids. Bishop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bishop to e4. My goodness, this is awesome move. Now
But not for your side, sir.
what should I play?
So you always say that it's a good move.
It's really a good move, you know. Now I will have to run away.
Thank God.
But then where should I run? That is the next question. Okay, let's run here. Knight to g5.
Keep threatening it. We'll bring the rook to D5 now.
Sir.
Yes, Sanvi.
Sir, you're threatening a bishop.
Oh, then in that case, you can capture it, right?
No.
Way, sir. We're not losing our rook. Anyway, and we're not checkmating our king.
Okay. So what can you do then?
Let it go.
You can attack on this rook now. Maybe like this or like this.
Yes, sir. Bishop to c2.
Okay. Which one is good, kids?
So why did you make the red color?
No, to show two different ways.
Which is better? सेंटर में रहना चाहिए ना हमारा तो कंट्रोल मोर
So won't anything be fine?
Which one
So
is good?
won't anything be fine?
d5, d5.
No, this is bad move, kids. If you bring the bishop here,
d5.
rook will simply come here and it will attack your bishop, followed by your knight, followed by your rook. Correct?
Followed by
Oh.
the
Pawn.
bishop pawn giving check. Bishop will also control less checkmate. Where's
Correct. So you will bring it here, right?
Okay. You bring it on D5. D5.
so can you just show it?
Bishop to d5,
Or
rook b2.
Sir, it doesn't look like we'll be ending it in 50 moves.
Yeah, it seems so.
So should we rejoin?
All right. Lot of time is there. Sanvi, why are you worried?
It's like 12
Yes,
minutes
sir.
left.
So 12 is sufficient actually.
You know what?
Sir, actually, I
12
thought we'll be
minutes
ending at 5:30. That's why.
Okay.
Huh?
I thought we'll be ending at 5:30.
No. 540.
5:40.
Okay. What's your turn, kids? Next. What's your next move?
We have no idea now. What to
I have
play.
no idea.
Okay. What
So,
if
what did
what
you
if you play now this?
No, and then you will capture a rook and then you will do checkmate.
No, that will not checkmate, right? If I capture, you will capture, right? If I capture, you will capture. And the queen directly cannot attack because otherwise I will capture the queen. Correct?
Okay.
No, just telling you, don't say okay. You have to think actually. I'm just thinking what are the possibilities.
Sir. We're not going to lose our rook.
Okay, don't give up the rook then.
Knight to f4.
What you said? Knight to f4. Okay, this is also good.
How? Acha. Okay.
But again, you are going to lose the rook anyways, right? I mean, for
Yeah,
black,
but we are going to get your rook also.
correct.
Can capture.
Knight can capture the rook, correct. Okay, let's play these kids, okay?
Sir, at least something.
Knight f4.
No, there.
Not there? You want to come back?
Yes.
Then what?
Because if the rook is gone, it will be a checkmate.
How?
The queen will capture the pawn.
How will the queen capture the pawn? Queen cannot capture, right? It will get captured.
Kesha, I'm writing with a pen. Imagine how many cuts I've made till now.
What did you say?
Nothing.
So are you okay with this, Kesha?
Then
Yes.
we can.
Okay.
Yes.
Eva, you can write it again.
So I did not erase it.
Knight to f4. Use the pencil and eraser instead of pen, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm using pencil and eraser.
Okay, let's go for it, kids. Rook captured.
I don't actually use it every time. That's why I'm used to using it.
Rook captured, rook g2.
Knight capture rook g2.
Now you have three choices. Knight captures or bishop captures
Bishop
or king captures.
king.
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
king
sir,
captures. King captures. King captures. King
no,
captures.
not king, sir. Not king. No, sir. No, sir.
Why?
I don't know.
Are we'll get more spaces for the king to move now.
But we'll not exactly get a space of h3. And it'll be more exposed outside.
Okay. Is it
So what are
decided,
you going
kids?
to do?
Who is going to capture?
Sir, either knight or bishop, not king.
Okay.
Bishop will capture.
Okay. Why not knight?
Sir, because if we capture, you do something and you'll do checkmate. I don't want to capture them.
Bishop or knight? What? Or you don't want to capture at all?
So we will capture. We will
I
capture.
don't know.
We've come so far, we'll capture it.
Okay, let's go ahead with bishop captures rook at g2. Okay. Now next what? Now next is this. Knight plays at e6. Knight e6.
Knight captures.
Knight captures knight.
Yes.
No.
No.
Sir, move the knight, in fact.
Where?
Move it to e2. E2.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you want to
Capture otherwise.
you want to
No.
come back home, or you want to go somewhere like this?
No, we'll move d3.
D3,
C5.
not D5.
How can you go to C5? How can you go to C5?
Oh,
I did not
D5 can go,
c5,
right?
d5.
She said C5, sir.
She said d5.
Oh, okay.
These are four possibilities for you. Which one you want to choose, kids?
So the place where it is open, the golden square.
Okay, so you want to go here, D5.
Yes, D5. Yes, sir. D5.
Yeah.
D5.
Okay, D5.
So
Now,
we move to the end game.
yes, it is almost the end game now.
So should we rejoin? There's only 4 minutes left.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes. So can you just show
Okay.
the notepad?
Yes.
So now are you
Knight
behind
to
us?
F4. Knight to F4. No, I wanted the square which I actually, so I came there. Knight
No,
to
sir. No, sir. No. Go back, sir, please.
D5, knight G4.
So
Knight
you wrote
F4.
only D5, not knight D5.
Yes, knight.
Yes, I need to write in
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, my.
What was the earlier position, kids? Your knight was here. Okay, my knight was here. I wanted this position so that I can attack here. Okay, so
So capture knight.
I played this, you played this, I played this. Now what?
So can we
So
capture it?
knight.
You can. I will capture back.
No.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it.
No, 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 no. Only
Why?
one piece that can jump. It's okay if you capture.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No.
knight captured, knight F4,
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir, please.
queen
Sir.
captured,
Why?
knight F4.
Sir,
Do
we can.
you have better move, Sanvi? Do you have better move?
Yes, sir. Knight to D7.
Knight to D7. Okay, you want to give
Eh?
D7 or E7?
Knight to sorry, E7.
Oh wow, you want to give
To
check.
D3.
She's giving check to my king. Do you want to, kids?
No.
Why?
You don't want?
E7.
Okay.
I don't know. I just don't want it.
Can you just go back, sir? Can you just go back?
What if I suggest you to play here, kids?
And then you want to capture our knight. And then you
And-
want to capture our
You capture a knight.
And what if I
Me
capture
neither.
with my rook?
Sir, in many two ways you can do
Yeah,
it.
that's how you capture.
I don't want to play that.
And what if you give checkmate from here?
How that technique? Oh.
Have you even thought of this, kids? Okay, by the way, join back, okay? If the meeting is over, join back immediately, kids, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you just show the
Yeah,
notepad
so
for
that's
2
what
minutes?
we'll do. So B6 and B6.
I'm
Sir, can
coming
you
back.
just show the notepad for 2 minutes, please?
Yes. You don't want to capture this knight?
No, and
No.
B6 and B6.
So just keep it there for 2 minutes, sir, please.
Let me remove.
D7.
Okay.
Knight to D5. Knight to
Knight E7.
yes.
Okay.
97.
Now
Yes.
why? We can give a checkmate. That is check. No. Now why?
No,
is
not E7.
This is only check. Why
Knight
Knight
is
B6.
E7. Check.
So knight B6. Knight
Yes,
B6.
sir.
Are you sure you want to play knight B6? Give a thought, kids.
What will happen?
Now see,
What will happen?
there are two ways the knight will be captured, either with rook or with queen. If it is captured with rook, then it's a checkmate. Okay. But if it is captured with queen, then you are losing your knight for free. Okay.
Yes.
And then if we do check, you'll capture our rook.
And because I only told you the idea, so obviously I will capture with queen, not with the rook. Okay.
No.
So this is better idea actually. Give the check, later on bring the knight here, trouble to the queen.
97. Okay.
Okay. So
So
knight
knight E7.
E7 is better.